What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hard Water Propagation. This is Nick, and we got some new fish in the fish room, as well as a couple of boxes that need some unboxing. So we're going to get into it today. Our new fish, Orange Venezuelan Corys, come to us from Night Owl Aquatics. And I was fortunate enough to win these fish on the Aquarists Auction hosted by Skipper's Aquariums. Mrs. Hardwater was able to unbox these for me here, with the help of Kamari, of course. Hats off to Night Owl Aquatics. Very well packaged, individually shipped Corys. They all arrived happy and healthy. And Kamari, seeing an opportunity here when Mrs. Hardwater had to step away for a moment, tried to introduce himself to the new Cory Cats. And I don't believe any of the bags were leaking prior to the cat attack there. All 6 fish arrived happy and healthy. And these fish were very shy, still are shy, and definitely don't like the camera right up to the tank. So I set up a tripod just to make sure they were settling in and coloring up. And clearly it didn't take them much time to get comfortable. And fully colored up, these are just gorgeous fish. Be sure to check out Night Owl Aquatics. It's been like Christmas around here lately. And a few more things to unbox. We've got a package from StephenP and a package from KJE Aquatics, Keith. Let's start with the Stephen P package. I did pre-cut. Some really nice, comfortable shirts from Stephen P. A cool steel blue and a cool green color. Really happy with those. Thank you, Stephen P. Okay, and our package from KJE Aquatics. This should have a variety of stuff that I ordered. And I saw in the chat of a live stream that I was in recently that he was going to throw some botanicals in for me because we're going to be trying to breed those Cory Cats we just got. So some botanicals. Ooh, keychain. Nice. I see some additional leaves that he threw in here for me. Awesome. Thank you, Keith, for that. Shrimp treat for these guys. Shrimp treats. So we'll give that a try. Omnivore crumble bits. Looking for this to help me to target feed my Goodyead babies in between batches of, and in addition to baby Brian. So looking forward to implementing that. Ooh, and some additional botanicals here. Awesome. So I'm expecting to need to use botanicals to help. These Corys are shy. They don't like me stuffing a camera in their face. But to combat any potential issues with my water being too hard for the Cory eggs, threw a bunch of different types of pothos in there. And I'm going to be setting up that apothecary as well. So awesome. Cool. Great orders. I gotta stop ordering so many things, I think, though.